am on a driving lesson with one of my students. We're at these traffic lights and we can hear sirens. We're both checking our mirrors and trying to work out where it's coming from. Perhaps it's coming from the left at these traffic lights. So we proceed through the green with caution, being ready to stop if the fire engine comes. Nothing there. We keep checking our mirrors. We can't see anything yet. We now start to spot it. It's coming up behind us. I advise my student to stop now, well before the stop line. And you'll see why. Here comes the fire engine. And now I instruct my student to proceed forwards when it's safe to. So you can see by stopping early, we gave space for the fire engine to get through. This shows the importance of effective mirror checks. Also, why mirrors aren't just for your test. Imagine this was after your test and you didn't check your mirrors effectively and you ended up stopping further ahead and blocking that fire engine from getting through. They could be then delayed to their potential house fire, and there could be people inside that house that need to be saved.